ब्रिज ओपनिंगाच्या पयलीं Siddharth had, myself and Siddharth were always in talk कि everybody from the panchayats to our residents should come and see the bridge. So आमची priority actually junction open करपाची. ती junction open करता आसतना we have combined a visit to the bridge. So the issues of the people are answered, justified to what our demands were, which Siddharth has already cleared the junction opening. आणि आता ब्रिजाचे all the elected representatives, the residents, senior citizens, आज सगळ्यांक आपोवन feel of the bridge before it opens up in the next week is something which we had promised our people. So I think this is what we have done today. आणि जितले गजाल्यो ज्यो बरी जाता, because this bridge is going to give a big relief to our people of Porvorim with the type of traffic that will reduce. And जितले traffic reduce जाता तितले आमकां लोकांक बरें पडटा, कित्याक mainly to connect to our constituency has always been the issue. So I think this type of infrastructure projects in the interest of the state, a proud moment for the state for which we were looking about. I think once the bridge comes in, we'll be able to have actual feel traffic कितें दिश्टी पडटली, आणि we are looking forward to actually commencement of this particular bridge. ज्यातून आमी आज come here to have a physical feel of it.